Are you new to using tampons or thinking about switching to them? Us more seasoned women know it can be scary, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into the essentials of tampon use, designed with respect and understanding. We'll touch upon everything from picking the right absorbency for your flow to understanding the anatomy involved. We'll also walk you through proper insertion and removal techniques, how to recognize signs of toxic shock syndrome, and the difference between applicator and non-applicator types. Stick with us as we guide you through these steps with respect and understanding. First things first, selecting the right tampon for your flow and understanding your body. Tampons come in various absorbency levels: light, regular, and super. The lighter your flow, the lower the absorbency level you'll need. Now, let's talk anatomy. The tampon is inserted into the vagina, which is angled towards the small of your back, not straight up. It's important to understand this to ensure a comfortable fit. And remember, your body is unique, so don't worry if you need a little practice to get the hang of things. It's all part of the journey to discovering what works best for you. Remember, everyone is unique, so what works best for one person may not work best for you. Now that you've chosen the right tampon, let's discuss the correct way to insert and position it. The first step is to ensure you're relaxed. Tension can make the process more difficult, so take a deep breath. Remember, this is a natural part of life for many people around the world. Now hold the tampon at the midpoint, where the smaller tube inserts into the larger one. Then, with your free hand, gently separate the labia and insert the tampon at a slight upward angle, aiming towards the small of your back. Once the larger tube is inside, push the smaller one until it's fully inside the larger tube. That's it. The tampon should now be comfortably in place. Remember, you shouldn't feel it if it's positioned correctly. Take your time. Practice makes perfect. Once you've mastered insertion, removal is the next step. To safely remove a tampon, simply relax and gently pull on the string at a slight angle. Remember, if it feels uncomfortable, it might not be ready to come out yet. Now let's talk about something serious: toxic shock syndrome, or TSS. It's a rare but severe condition that can be caused by leaving a tampon in for too long. Symptoms include sudden high fever, muscle aches, and a rash resembling sunburn. If you experience these, seek medical help immediately. Lastly, let's discuss types of tampons. There are applicator and non-applicator types. Applicator tampons come with a plastic or cardboard tube to help with insertion, while non-applicator ones are inserted using your finger. The choice depends on your personal preference and comfort level. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to use tampons safely and comfortably. Remember, your comfort and health are the most important.